Hi, welcome. Today let's make classic spring rolls. Ingredients needed are rice paper, cooked rice noodle, bean sprouts, sliced cucumber, mint leaf, lettuce leaf, braised pork, thinly sliced, shrimp, Once we have all of our ingredients laid out, we will start by dipping the rice paper in the warm water. Get it all over the rice paper. Lay it flat on the cutting board or flat surface. The first layer we're going to put down is shrimp. Make sure that you start in the middle of the rice paper sheet. And next is braised pork. Right next to the shrimp, lay lettuce leaves on the top of the shrimps and braised pork, then followed by mint leaves, cucumbers, and bean sprouts as you like. Then of course, vermicelli noodles, just like that. Okay. Once all the ingredient is in, just pull the rice paper from the side near you over the ingredients. Then just wrap them like that. All right, we make the first one. Let's do it again. Dip the rice paper in warm water. Lay it flat on the cutting board. Put the shrimp in the middle of the rice paper sheet. Braised pork, lettuce leaves, mint, cucumber, bean sprouts, rice noodles or vermicelli noodles. Okay. You don't have to make it too tight, but just make sure that the rice paper is covered and also tapped. It will let you roll them easily like that. All right, there you have finished the second one. Great job! You have just made 2 fresh spring roll, or we call it here at Fusion 5 classic spring rolls. Now it's time to put on the plate for presentation and to serve. And here at Fusion 5, classic spring roll is served with peanut sauce. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for joining us today and make classic spring roll together. We hope that you will join us again next time to make another dish from our menu. Thank you so much for your support by stopping in, order online, and call on us. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.